Page 18, Blues in C. A blues is a style of music. I like blues, they're fun. Generally speaking, when you find blues, they'll be on a blues scale. I don't teach blues scales, but just know that you're going to have lots of accidentals. Blues pieces generally have lots of accidentals. Accidentals are sharps and flats and naturals that all over, yeah. And you'll see a lot of flats in this thing. So let's look at the right hand here. It's in 6/8 times, so an eighth note gets a count. So it's 1, 2, and then already there's an E flat. Now again, I've explained sharps before. You go up a half step, well, flats go down a half a step. So instead of playing an E, I'm going to play an E flat. I usually use the same finger, not always, but usually. So I'm going to use third finger on the E flat, and then the B is a B flat, and you got to reach over. Like so. Then in the first ending, it's B flat again, and then E flat. It's like the B flats and E flats are there. In the second ending, it's here. Third finger on the E flat, and then an E natural, and then C. Isn't that fun? In the left hand, you got primary chords. Well, there's a couple tricky little things in here, and I want to bring them out because a lot of people will just overlook them. And when we're doing music like this, we're looking for these little details because they really can make all the difference in the world. So let's talk about it. Second measures, where the first one happens. In the right hand, you have a dotted quarter note tied to a quarter note. So you're going to hold it down for 5 counts. Then you have an eighth rest. So you're going to rest on the 6th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. That's important. In the left hand, you have 2 dotted quarter notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to hold it down, the whole thing. So the last beat in that measure is the left hand by itself because the right hand has a rest. So that measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. And then it comes up. So the hands don't come up at the same time. Watch that. These little things count. And so, yeah, do it. Same thing in the first ending on the second measure of the first ending. The right hand is tied, so you're going to hold it down for 5 counts. The left hand isn't tied, you're going to play them both, but the right hand has a rest. So it's got to come up, and the left hand is by itself for 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you repeat and go back. But then in the last ending, and the last measure, the second ending, both hands come up at the same time. There's no rest on that one. These little things make a big difference. As the music gets trickier, we want to look for these. So let's try out this blues thing. I'll give us 6 counts. Now remember first and second endings, so we're going to do all that. The MF in the middle applies to the melody, in this case the right hand, right? They finally didn't give you 2, they give you the 1 like they're supposed to. So your hand's starting here and here. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 4, 5, 6. Second ending.